Jewel box Distylium, FAQs answered. When it comes to finding the perfect plant for your garden, Jewel box Distylium is a fantastic choice. With its unique appearance and low maintenance needs, it's no wonder so many people are eager to learn more about this shrub. I've gathered some of the most frequently asked questions about Jewel box Distylium to help you decide if this plant is right for you. What is Jewel box Distylium? Jewel box Distylium is a compact, evergreen shrub known for its dense, glossy foliage and subtle beauty. It's part of the Distylium family, which is valued for its hardiness and low maintenance requirements. Jewel box Distylium stands out due to its compact size and attractive, dark green leaves that provide year-round interest in the garden. How to care for Jewel box Distylium? Caring for Jewel box Distylium is relatively simple, making it a great choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. Here are some key tips. Sunlight. It thrives in full sun to partial shade. However, it performs best with at least a few hours of direct sunlight each day. Soil. Well-drained soil is essential. It can handle a variety of soil types, but prefers slightly acidic to neutral conditions. Watering. Regular watering is important, especially during dry spells. However, be careful not to overwater as this can lead to root rot. Pruning. Minimal pruning is needed, but occasional trimming can help maintain its shape and remove any dead or damaged branches. How to propagate Jewel box Distylium? Jewel box Distylium can be propagated through cuttings. Here's a simple method. Timing. Late spring or early summer is the best time to take cuttings. Cuttings. Select healthy, non-flowering stems. Cut about 4 to 6 inches in length. Preparation. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone. Planting. Place the cuttings in a well-draining potting mix. Keep them in a humid environment with indirect light. Care. Keep the soil moist, but not soggy. Roots should develop in a few weeks. What is the size and height of Jewel box Distylium? Jewel box Distylium is known for its compact size, making it suitable for smaller gardens or as a low hedge. Typically, it reaches a height of about 2 to 3 feet and spreads out to a width of 3 to 4 feet. This manageable size allows it to fit well into various garden designs and landscaping schemes. What are the best companion plants for Jewel box Distylium? When choosing companion plants for Jewel box Distylium, consider other low-maintenance shrubs and perennials that complement its aesthetic. Some great options include hostas. Their lush foliage contrasts beautifully with the dense, glossy leaves of Jewel box Distylium. Azaleas. The vibrant blooms of azaleas can add a splash of color to the garden. Heuchera. With its varied foliage colors, Heuchera provides an attractive contrast and blends well with Jewel box Distylium. Is Jewel box Distylium poisonous to dogs? One common concern for pet owners is whether the plants in their garden are safe for their furry friends. Fortunately, Jewel box Distylium is not listed as poisonous to dogs. However, it's always a good practice to monitor pets to ensure they are not chewing on or ingesting plants, as individual sensitivities can vary. Where can I find Jewel box Distylium for sale? If you're looking to add Jewel box Distylium to your garden, many local nurseries and garden centers offer this shrub. Additionally, it's available through various online retailers. When purchasing, ensure you're buying from a reputable source to get a healthy plant. Additional tips. Mulching. Applying mulch around the base of Jewel box Distylium can help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilizing. While generally low maintenance, occasional feeding with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer can support healthy growth. In conclusion, Jewel box Distylium is a versatile and attractive plant that fits well in various garden settings. Its ease of care, compact size, and compatibility with other plants make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced gardeners alike. Whether you're looking for a low-maintenance shrub or a beautiful addition to your garden, Jewel box Distylium is worth considering.